come on, ma'am. You seem like It's not about whether you need the info or not, okay? It's about you taking out your money and handing it over, and
I won't.
no more excuses! Yeah, I saw you. Strolling into then seen you at kiosk, then Wanmin restaurant. Same story. How could you afford to be so wasteful if you weren't from a rich...
Master warned me not to lay a hand on anyone in Liyue Harbor. But here we are. Perhaps... yes. Let's call it fate.
Boss, I'm telling you something.
What are you afraid of? We're just selling information. It's not illegal. If she lays a finger on us, all the better. We'll sue her for everything she's worth.
Oh, you again.
The Millilith? What are the Millilith doing here? Did you do this?
Silence! How dare you threaten it?
No, don't be angry, sir. Please, let me explain.
Shenhe,
Shenhe?
my name.
Oh, so your name's Shenhe. Paimon's name is, well, Paimon. And this is Paimon's travel buddy.
I've heard about you two before. I could have dealt with it myself, though.
This is Liyue.
Laws. No,
Really?
that would be...
She's so on it. Wait, that's right then, of course.
Chingson, glaze lily, violet grass. These are my usuals.
Kinda hard to explain. Anyway, Boo Boo Pharmacy's not far away. After all... Psst. Do you think... Oh, what's happening over there? And it seems like it's her first time in Liyue Harbor, and she doesn't seem to get how things work here. If she is an Adeptus, that would explain everything. Where does she fit in with the other Adepti, though? Paimon's super curious.
Are you here to buy some herbs? I do.
Chingson, glaze lily, and violet grass, please. Half...
What kind of prescription is this? Sounds more like a lunch order. Oh, here.
Thank you.
She's...
My hunger has now abated. Thank you. Rather odd. Though they were not complete.
So, how... If Paimon had...
Because I'm not sure the food of the mortal realm is most delicious. But should I return to the mountains, sampling each dish in order to...
Return to...
Enough about me.
Oh, right, and...
I see.
Yep! Were you interested